Some fitness sporting goods companies. Chapter 1. A list of sporting good companies. Buy used sporting goods. Try the free ad websites like Craigslist, Kijiji, and eBay. PlayItAgainSports.com. 800-592-8046. Retail sports stores all over America. Sporting goods companies. Bauer.com. 800-362-3146. bsnsports.com. 800-527-7510. eisnerbrothers.com. 800-426-7700. goalsports.com. 800-334-GOAL. Huffy Sports. 2021 MC Arthur Road. Waukesha, Wisconsin 53188. 800-558-5234. huffysports.com. Lacrosse Unlimited. 800-366 lakhs. lacrosseunltd.com. lifetime.com. 800-242-3865. Mueller Sporting Goods. 4825 South 16th St. Lyoncon, Nebraska 68512. 800-925-7665. 800-627-8888. mueller-sporting-goods.com. puma.com. 800-662-7862. Queen City Lacrosse. 800-240-0178. qclax.com. Reebok. 800-843-4444. plaintreebok.com. Spalding Sports. 425 Meadow St. Chicopee, Massachusetts 01021. 800-225-6601. Spalding.com. Wilson Sporting Goods. 8700 Bryn Mawr, Chicago, Illinois 60631. 800-272-6060. wilsonsports.com. wolverinesports.com. 800-521-2832. Chapter 2. Some fitness sporting good products. Health monitor gadgets. These are mostly heart monitors, but there are monitors for other things like cholesterol, etc. physicalgenius.com. vivonic.com. accufitness.com. 800-866-2727. acuminink.com. 800-852-7823. achuapacer.com. 011-44-1467-629-360. Swimming monitor. fitcentric.com. 800-400-1390. Monitors plus software with pictures such that you can imagine you're running somewhere even if you're on your treadmill. fitsense.com. 800-419-3667. Running monitor. freestyleusa.com. 800-776-6449. gophysical.com. 877-566-4636. polarusa.com. 800-227-1314. sigmasport.com. 888-744-6277. stayhealthy.com. 800-321-1218. Body composition monitor. Home fitness equipment for sale 1. Many people sell exercise equipment at eBay and Craigslist. Try number 611-613 and number 796.41 or GV546 at the Library for Fitness Books. sportsci.org, Sports Science. 2ndwindexercise.com. avia.com. body-masters.com. exercise.ot.com/folding exercise bike. bodyvibe.com. bowflex.com. bowflexfitness.com. eFitnessDirect.com. Endlesspool.com, small pool with a generated current which you swim against. fitness-equipment.com. Fitnessequipmenttrader.com. Fitnessonline.com, 800-222-7774. Fitnessrush.com. Fogdog.com. Gyrotonic.com. Healthbound.com, 888-464-5867, bouncing equipment. Hollowbar.com. HomeGymS4U.com. HuffySports.com. InternetFitness.com. JustBalls.com. MM2K.com. NautilusDirect.com. NitaKMFG.com, 800-232-5762, Soft Bounce Rebounder. NET2FITNESS.com. NordicTrack.com. PARabody.com. Pathfinder.com/thrive. PolarUSA.com. Previous.com. Resistable.com. ShapeUpShop.com. Soloflex.com. TheChiMachine.com. TheCrossbow.com. TheHomeGymEquipment.com. TreadClimber.ca. TreadClimber.com. VIDEOS4YOU.com. WalkerTracker.com. WhatsTheBest-WORKOUT.com. WomenOutdoors.com. X-ISER.com, 888-390-0104. Home fitness equipment for sale too. AllProWeights.com. 800-735-9287. American Athletic Inc. 200 American Avenue, Jefferson, Iowa 50129. 800-247-3978. AmericanaTHletic.com. Bauer.com. 800-362-3146. BodyCaliper.com. 888-881-9881. Fat Percentage Device. Body Masters Sports Industries. Box 259. Rain, Louisiana 70578. 800-325-8964. BODY-MASTERS.com. Bodybridge.com. 800-326-2724. BodyguardFitness.com. 800-373-BODY. BodyTrend.com. 800-549-1667. Exercise Balls. Bowlinger Fitness Products. 222 West Airport Freeway, Irving, Texas 75062. 800-527-1166. 800-241-0276. Bowlinger.com. Gymnastics, weightlifting, trampolines. bsnsports.com. 800-527-7510. Cablegym.com. 800-651-2275. Concept 2 Indoor Rower. 800-245-5676. CONCEPT2.com. Creative Health Products. 5148 Saddle Ridge Road, Plymouth, Michigan 48170. 800-742-4478. 800-845-8794. CHPOnline.com. LEPTICalltrainers.com. 877-355-4787. FitnessOnline.com. 800-222-7774. Fitness Factory Outlet. 2875 South 25th Avenue, Broadview, Illinois 60153. 800-383-9300. 888-345-9003. FitnessFactory.com. Flag House. 150 North McWestern Parkway, MT Vernon, New York 10550. 800-793-7900. Flaghouse.com. Gymnastics/outdoor equipment. GameTime.com. 800-235-2440. Gold's Gym. 360 Hampton Drive, Venice, California 90291. 800-457-5375. goldsonline.com. Weights. Heart rate Inc. 3188 Airway Avenue, Number E, Costa Mesa, California 92626. 800-237-2271. HeartRateInc.com. Aerobics Machine. HomeGymByNet.com. 800-954-1770. Icon Health and Fitness. 800-542-1908. IcoFitness.com. Home Fitness Equipment for Sale 3. Kaiser.com. 800-888-7009. Elandis.com. 800 Landis. Treadmills. LifeFitness.com. Lifecycle. New York Barbell. POB 3473. Elmira, New York 14905. 800-446-1833. NewYorkBarbells.com. Nordic Track. 104 PV Road, Chaska, Minnesota 55318. 800-328-5888. 800-445-2606. 800-441-7512. NordicTrack.com. Olympia Sports. 745 State Circle, Ann Arbor, Michigan 48106. 800-521-2832. WolverineSports.com. Performance Fitness. 888-387-9077. Perfect.com. Powerblock.com. 800-446-5215. POWER-SYSTEMS.com. 800-321-6975. Reebok. 800-733-2651. 800-344-0444. PlainTreebok.com. SavageFitness.com. 800-682-8416. SheX Straps, Belts, Gloves. 800-772-4435. Chic.com. Schwinn.com. 800-724-9466. SharperImage.com. 800-344-3440. Soloflex.com. 800-547-8802. 800-955-2800. Spalding.com. 800-225-6601. Stairmaster. 800-720-2500. Stairmaster.com. Techtricks.com. 800-767-8082. TheLifestyleCompany.com. 888 Learn 41. Walkmaster Pedometer, measures how far you walk. Home fitness equipment for sale 4. TreadmillByNet.com. 888-987-3237. TrekBikes.com. 800-369-8735. TrueFitness.com. 800-426-6570. Vectra Fitness Inc. 15135 Northeast 90th St. Redmond, Washington 98052. 800-2 Vectra. VectraFitness.com. Weider Exercise Equipment. 800-727-9777. 800-423-6996. 800-423-5713. WeiderHomeGym.com. YUKON-FITNESS.com. 800-79 Yukon.